Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to talk about the Cpen update regarding the unverified token and verified token. So let's dive into it so that we may see what is happening in our wallet section. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So as you can see, here is the interface of Cpen network. Like currently now we are on ink because like we have already passed the Fen token mining, which is like they make the ticker to be Cpen. So obviously like previously they make it like it's Fen. So on the right now they like edit it. Maybe the reason of the like some token that has a ticker in the market which is Fen, so maybe like it is the reason that they made it like exactly as Cpen network. They make it Cpen the ticker. So let's dive into it so that we may see what is happening without saying much. Let's click on this section which is wallet. So before you go to wallet, so let's go for announcement so that we may see like the announcement that they share in the announcement section. So let's click on it. Cpen story. So here is the latest announcement that they released, like as you can see. So let's click on it. So they say, hey Cpen community, Cpen token verification is complete. Check your verified token balance now on the wallet page in the Cpen app. So we should go and recheck it. So maybe like if your app like is outdated, so I will advise you to go and update it, your Cpen network application, so that you will get the fully update and fully accessible to the any update that they provided in the app. So and again here they said that ensure your BSC wallet address is correct, secure wallet is correct, wallet address end close on March 29. So if you didn't write your wallet address on 29 March 20 UTC, so definitely you will miss your Cpen network distribution. So maybe you are going to get your Cpen so maybe later, so not so on 30th this March. And again they said that update your app as update yours as to avoid losing your mine Cpen token. So token distribution begin on 30 March. So as you can see, total supply later will be announced soon. So until right now they didn't announce the total supply of the Cpen network token. So we wish the Cpen network token could not be more than 1 billion, because like if it is like the supply is short, so definitely the token price will be very excited. So let's click for a wallet, so and see how many tokens did they verify for me, like how many tokens am I gonna get for my wallet distribution. So here is the verified token that I have been mined so far. So in this verified token, so in this verified token they are going to give them the amount that I'm going to being collected when they start distribution token to the wallet. So here it is. So obviously previously they said that 20% of our token we are going to get like at the first time, and then they are going to vest it the remaining, like they are going to release it later. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.